Attorney, naami na palit na condo unit pag 2020. Giingnan may nga ma-turnover by 2023. Pero 2025 na, until now, wala ra gyapon na turnover. Unsay pwede buhaton? So under PD 957 or the Subdivision and Condominium Buyers Protective Decree, if the developer fails to develop or fails to turn over the condominium or the subdivision, the buyer has the following remedies. The buyer may seek cancellation of contract or rescission of contract. The buyer may seek reimbursement of all the payments made, including the equity and the amortization. The buyer may also suspend the payment until such time na makumpleto ang project or ma-turn over ang subdivision or condominium. So how are you going to do this? So you will have to file a verified complaint or a verified petition, as the case may be, dito sa Human Settlement Adjudication Commission, sa HSAC, dito ni sa DSUD. So this is an administrative proceeding, okay? So dili ka mo adto sa korte para mag-file ka, so dito ka mo file sa imuhang verified complaint sa HSAC. So aside from that, you can also seek payment for damages. So I think I answered your question. So that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.